Dear student, I am giving a clue. Can you tell me what I am talking about? When I walk, she also walks. When I jump, she also jumps. Sometimes she becomes very big, sometimes she becomes very small. You are right, say. That is shadow. Today I am going to discuss the question answer and one meaning of my shadow lesson. First, a summary of this poem. Everyone has a shadow of their own, but the poet does not understand its necessity. It looks like a human being's. When he bounces, she bounces. When he runs, she runs. But the poet laughs that its size does not increase like our size. Sometimes it becomes a big as the highest bouncing ball in world, and sometimes it becomes so small that no one has ever seen it. One day he woke up before the sun rose and saw dewdrops on the yellow flowers, but he could not see his shadow anywhere. She thought she was still asleep and she was lazy, but she would reach the bed before she slept. Now word meaning. First word is shadow. SHADOW, shadow. Shadow means a darkness within a lighted area. इसका हिंदी होगा परछाई. Next word is heel. HEEL, heel. Heel means a round flat part of the man's foot. इसका हिंदी होगा एडी. Next word is dew. Dew means tiny drop of water that from on cool surface at night. इसका हिंदी होगा ओस की बूंद. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज बटरकप. BUTTER, बटर CUP, कप. बटरकप. बटरकप मीन्स अ येलो फ्लावर, एक प्रकार का पीला फूल. नेक्स्ट वर्ड एरेंट. ARRANT. एरेंट मीन्स बैट. हिंदी होगा इसका कुख्यात. नेक्स्ट वर्ड स्लीपी हेड. SLEEPY, स्लीपी HEAD, हेड. स्लीपी हेड. स्लीपी हेड मीन्स अ इंटेंटिव पर्सन. हिंदी होगा इसका निंदा सा आदमी. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज अस्लीप मीन्स इन स्टेट ऑफ स्लीप. हिंदी होगा सोता हुआ. SHOOTS, shoots up. shoots up मीन्स ग्रो अप. GROW, ग्रो UP, ग्रो अप मीन्स होगा, हिंदी होगा इसका ऊंचा उठना. नाउ क्वेश्चन आंसर. फर्स्ट इज who do you think your shadow looks like? Question is, who do you think your shadow looks like? Answer is, I think my shadow looks like me. I think my shadow looks like me. Next question, why do you think your shadow jumps into bed before you can? Why do you think your shadow jumps into bed before you can? Answer is, I think my shadow jumps into bed before me because my room's bulb is behind me. I think my shadow jumps into bed before me because my room's bulb is behind me. Next question, why do you think your shadow jumps into bed before you can? Morning, afternoon and night. Answer, I think shadow is tallest in the morning. It is tallest in the morning because the sun is far away from us in the morning than in afternoon. Next question. Read the lines from the poem and answer the following. He is very, very like me, from the heels up to the head. He is very, very like me, from the heels up to the head. Who does he refer to? Answer, he is referred to the shadow. Who does me refer to? Answer, me is referred to the poet. Next question, why are he and me alike? Answer is, he and me are alike because he is the shadow of me. Answer is, he and me are alike because he is the shadow of me. Next question, work in pair and discuss the following. What would you do if? Answer of this question is maybe different because it is what you do think about this. But I have written here, a dog chase you. Answer, I will run fast and ask someone for help. I have given, you can write in different way also. Next question also same, you can write another way also answer. Just you think, what do you think about this question? It is depend on the answer is that what do you think about this question. Question is here, you have forgotten your homework copy at home. Answer, I will accept my mistake and apologize to the teacher. I will promise not to make such a mistake again. Next question, you are alone in a room and the light go out. I will listen to the song from mobile until the lightning strikes. Next question, fill in the blanks using one of the word given in brackets. Where is the child who parents have come to school? Option is who, whose, which. Here is the right option is whose. Where is the child whose parents have come to school? Next is, I saw my house were quite spacious. Option is which, whose, who. Right option is which. I saw many houses which were quite spacious. Next is mathematics is my favorite subject, is so interesting. Option is who. Options are who, which, that. Right option is which. Mathematics, which my favorite subject, it is so interesting. The poem you read out is so lovely. Options are whose, which, that. Right option is that. The poem that you read out is so lovely. Next question. I know the street he lives on. Options are whose, that, which. Right option is which. I know the street which he lives on. Next is, I like reading books having pictures in it. Options are that, who, which. Right option is which. I like reading books which have which have pictures in it. Next question is, the old lady I met in your house is my neighbor. Options are whom, that, which. Right option is whom. The old lady whom I met in your house is my neighbor. Here another question here. Complete this description by answering the question below. What do you think is the name of the dog? Why is she called that? What color is she? Do you think she is friendly? What does she likes to eat? Answer, Mittu is a 10 years old boy. He has a little cute dog. The name of the dog is Shadow. The colors of the dog is black, therefore its name is Shadow. Shadow plays with Mittu. Both try to take care of each other. She is very friendly and loves her neighbors. She enjoys to eat pieces of bones. Okay, thank you.